In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text into a clickable phone link using Google Docs. Whether you're creating a document for work, a presentation, or just need to make your contact information more accessible, this guide will help you add that professional touch to your documents. Now, let's get started on this simple yet effective process. First, open your document in Google Docs. If you haven't already, navigate to Google Docs and access the document where you'd like to add your phone link. It's always a good idea to have the text you want to modify visible on the screen. Once you have your document open, you'll want to identify the specific text you wish to turn into a clickable link. This could be something like, "Call our support line," or any other text you've decided will serve this purpose. After you've selected the text, it's time to move on to the next step, adding the link itself. To do this, click on the Insert option located at the top menu of the Google Docs interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Link. Alternatively, you can use handy keyboard shortcuts to speed up this process. If you're working on a Windows computer, press Ctrl+K. And for those on a Mac, you can use Command+K. Utilizing these shortcuts can enhance your workflow efficiency, especially if you perform this task regularly. Once you've selected the link option, a dialog box will appear. Here's where you'll input the phone number you want the text to link to. It's crucial to format this correctly, ensuring that anyone who clicks on it will immediately be directed to their phone app, ready to make a call. Start by typing TEL, immediately followed by the phone number you wish to use. Make sure there are no spaces between TEL and the number. For example, if the number is 123-456-7890, you would type TEL 123-456-7890. This specific format of TEL underscores its function, distinguishing it from a regular URL and ensuring it behaves appropriately when clicked. After entering the phone number, confirm your entry by clicking Apply. You'll notice that your previously highlighted text is now underlined and a different color, indicating that it's successfully become a hyperlink. To double-check your work, simply click on the text. A small tooltip should appear showing the link you've just configured, verifying that everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've now turned a regular piece of text into a practical phone link. This function is particularly useful if your document is viewed electronically, allowing readers to reach out with just a click. As always, feel free to practice this on different text and numbers to become even more comfortable with the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your document needs.